The next segment is hip stabilizers. Two very nice exercises that will help in that hip stabilizing development. We're going to have Perry on all fours. Back is nice and straight. It's not raised up high like a cat, and it's not sunk in low. All right. Basically, they call it neutral spine. So there, perfect neutral spine. He's going to take his right leg, lift his knee slightly off the ground, and then he's going to take it out in a straight line parallel. So we're going to raise up and hold. If you can see that his back has not rotated, some athletes will over rotate. They'll lift their whole body up and rotate. That is incorrect. Go back down, put your knee on the ground, let's reset, neutral spine, raise your knee up until it pinches. When I say pinches, you'll feel those muscles activating in the glute and in the hip area. If you do this correctly, you'll not be able to raise it higher than that. Everybody has a greater range of motion. Perry's that high. Ladies would have a greater range of motion, but for guys, we tend to have a smaller range. Back down in, hold, breathe in, breathe out and lift your leg, raise, hold, squeeze, back down, raise again, hold. Now if you do 3 to 5 of these, you'll feel it burning in that whole gluteus medius, that whole hip area, warming up at the same time developing that area. Okay, that's hip stabilizers. Make sure when you've done it on the right, reset for me, you do it on the left as well. Okay, that's it. Back again, 2, back down, 3. We're moving on to donkey kicks now. Back is nice and straight, neutral spine, shoulders there. He's going to raise his right leg up to the sky. Now if you can see, the flat foot of his shoe is raised to the roof. Most guys will do that, not what I'm looking for. There. If he kicks up high and squeezes, alright, his glute, this part here is nice and tight. You can just walk around and poke the bum or poke the hamstring, then you know it's activated. If you can see now, he has rotated his hips. Incorrect. Reset for me. Always make sure it's nice. You can even put your hand on the back. Ready? Let's raise. Hold. Okay, that's great. Don't rotate. Hold. You'll feel it squeezing here. Tuck your knee into your chest. Knee into your chest. And shoot up. 2. Hold. Nice and slow and controlled. Back in. Shoot. Hold. Alright. Working that gluteus medius, which is kind of linked to that lower back. This whole region is responsible for that back. So the back is tight, more than likely your hamstring's tight, your gluteus medius is probably underdeveloped, and your glutes are there. Alright, so we need to make sure that we work in this whole area to take some strain off the lower back. If this is developed and your glutes are developed and your calves are all in sync, alright, this kinetic chain will be a lot better. Tuck in again, hold, and shoot. Make sure you don't rotate. Those are the 2 simple exercises of the hip stabilizers. Enjoy and don't rush through them. Do them correctly, and if you get tired and fatigued and you start rotating like that, just cut it. So 3 to 5, 3 to 5, maybe 7, that's all I want.